Speed of installation matters in irrigation, especially when you're installing thousands of rotors each year. We put Rainbird 5000 series rotors up against Hunter PGP rotors to see which one installs faster. Rainbird's revolutionary slip clutch makes it very easy to set the left edge of your spray pattern. But Hunter requires you find the right edge, unscrew the cap, line up the right edge, and screw the cap back on. It took about 19 seconds to install a Rainbird 5000 series rotor. By comparison, installing a Hunter PGP rotor clocks in at around 30 seconds. Installing a Hunter PGP takes over 50% longer than the Rainbird 5000 series rotor. It's easy to see why more contractors prefer Rainbird 5000 series rotors over the competition.